In this video, we will guide you through a Cremone bolt installation from Baldwin. The first step is to mark the knob's centerline height. We recommend 42 inches from the bottom of the door. Establish a vertical center line to locate the center of the guides. Good vertical alignment of the case and guides is critical to smooth operation. Mark the position of the case screws, taking care that the guides are perpendicular to the vertical center line. If you are using an extension kit, do not position the extension guide at this time. Drill a 3/4 inch hole, 3/8 inches deep for spindle clearance behind the case. If trim is to be installed on the outside of the door, drill this hole through. Then drill pilot holes for the case screws and pilot holes for the guide screws. Now we can assemble the spindle and knob on the lock as follows. First, insert spindle and fasten with the machine screw on the back. Next, place the washer onto the spindle, followed by the knob onto the spindle. Then tighten the knob with the set screw. A left-handed lock retracts when it is turned clockwise. A right-handed lock retracts when it is turned counterclockwise. Fasten the case to the door using the wood screws supplied. Levers should extend in the direction of the door hinges. Knobs should have the set screws on the bottom. If you're using an extension kit, assemble the top rod and extension kit at this time. See the step-by-step instructions for installing a Cremone bolt extension rod assembly. With the lock in the retracted position, measure from the floor surface to the step in the lower bolt. Saw the shorter of the two rods 1/16 of an inch shorter than this measurement. Remember, do not cut off the end with the hole in it. Now measure from the door frame to the step in the upper bolt and cut the longer rod 1/16 of an inch shorter than this measurement. Again, do not cut off the end with the hole. If you are using an extension kit, assemble the top rod and extension before trimming. Do not cut the standard rod. File the cut ends for smooth function and good appearance. To install the top and bottom rods, first preload the guides with spring and ball. Slide the guides into the slot rod. Measure and mark where your guide lines will be, and drill the pilot holes. Place the hole in the rod end over the pin on the end of the bolt. If you are using the plain guides without covers, screw the guides down at the pre-drilled positions. If you are using the covers, the guides are not screwed directly to the door and are held in place by the covers, which are placed over the guides and fastened to the door. And remember, the type of strike installation is dependent on the door and jamb combinations. Now you're ready to enjoy your new Cremone bolt system from Baldwin.